Hey y'all, Pawpaw here. I got to put a doorknob on a door that's not made for a doorknob. They make a kit. I bought mine at Harbor Freight. It's a doorknob jig thing with hole saws and all that. I'll show it to you. Put a link in the description where you can find one if you need one. Anyway, whenever we rebuilt our house, we got these old looking doors because we really like the way they look. They don't have holes for doorknobs in them. They're not meant to have doorknobs. They've got little balls up here at the top of them. I know y'all can't see it. I can't move the camera and everything at the same time. But anyway, they've got little spring-loaded balls at the top that catch on these tracks. You can't see it, but there's a little piece of metal right in here that it catches on. Well, this one's gone. It popped out. My future daughter-in-law has been using her makeup case to keep the door shut. So let's get set up here so y'all can see what I'm doing. See the handle here? Got the makeup case. Stands about waist high. Tied to it. That way she can push that away from the door. Cats can't push the door open and get in and torment the guinea pigs. So number one, let's get rid of this. All right. The doorknob is gone. Or door handle. Stroll this makeup case back into the bathroom. All right, we've already done one of these. So we want to match our doorknob height, which is 40 inches. All right, there's our 40-inch mark. Our door is 1 3/8 inches wide, or thick. I've got a tool somewhere that finds center, but I don't know where it's at. Cats, go on. All right, so this is what our jig looks like. It goes on your door like this. Gives you your center point for your doorknob and for your little latch. So what we're going to do, we'll take the 2 screws that I pulled out of that handle. Now this is made for an exterior door, so it's actually a little bit wide for these doors. Going to eyeball center. We'll start me a screw. All right, we got our jig put on. So now we're going to take the hole saw that comes with this, the larger of the two. By the way, y'all don't mind if y'all haven't yet, click on that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell. That way, whenever I upload a new video, you'll see it. You'll get notified. I'm using a corded drill because I don't have a cordless drill. All right, what we're going to do, I'm going to try and stay out of your way. We're going to kind of put this hole saw in this jig. Now, I don't like to go all the way through. So I go part way, open up the door, and then come from the other side. Now hold this drill as level as you can. Mine looks pretty level. And there she is. We now have a doorknob hole in our door. Truly apologize. Then you want to come from the outside, or the very end here. That, if you can see it, is smoking hot. I guess we're done with this tool. Once you get that done, get your new doorknob first secure. Still has the sticker on it, so you know it's new. Ooh, and bubble wrap. I'm not used to that. And actually, no, we're not done with that tool. We've still got to put our hole now. One thing you will have to do You need to dig that out a little bit. All right, since this is press board, I'm going to take my razor knife. Whenever you install this, make sure the slope on the end of that goes towards the door frame that it's closing to. All right, and when you think you've got it good enough, which we probably don't, we'll go ahead and get our screws that come with the doorknob. You're going to have two of them like this. These are the ones that actually hold the knob together. Then you'll have four of them that are similar to this. Two of them go into this piece, and then two of them will go into this piece that goes on the door frame. Don't strip it out, but make sure that it fits and it'll close. Then we will take our trusty, whatever, doorknob. Thumb lock goes to the inside. Butter knife lock goes to the outside. It's kind of hard for me to show y'all this. Whenever you align it, you've got these two pieces here. They go flat. There's holes in that piece you just put in that they need to line up with. And then voila, put it right into place. This one, you've got these two holes here. That's where your screws go in at. They need to line up with those two pieces. Best way to do it is to put one screw in, get it lined up, and get it started. Then you'll put your other screw in and get it started. If you're smart, you'll bring a screwdriver in here with you to be able to finish it off, because the drill ain't going to work for this. All right. You use a Phillip or flathead on most of these. I say use a Phillip. It fits better. You can do it at a little bit of an angle. Make sure your lock works. It does. So now we want to come in here and mark where it goes at. All right. Now that that's done, we'll take our hole saw and this is just how I do it. This video is going to not be great. Use your small hole saw that comes with it, because all we want to do is drill enough of a hole All right, I drilled my hole right here in the door frame. Now we can take this piece and we want it, got a little lip on it. You want that lip to the inside. Do it just like that. Take this I don't think we're going to be using that. You can use this if you need to. I'm sorry, trying to film and work don't work. And there you have it. We have a shuttable door. One thing I do need to do, I need to adjust these jambs. Well, it's how you install a doorknob and a door that Wasn't made for one, or with a hole for one. I hope this helps. Maybe next time I can get better camera angles. If there is a next time. Yeah, I still got to do my bedroom door. So maybe it'll work a little bit better next time. I can get you some better camera angles, some closer up shots. Until then, well, y'all have a good one, and we'll see you next time.